This is the view from the master suite at Ocean Eden Bay, and this is a resort in Trelawney. All right, so this is the pool area, and over here is where the adults stay. So it's adults only, but they have a family section as well. So again, because this is the master room, this is basically what your balcony looks like. You have your jacuzzi, and master suite meaning that it has a separate living room. All right, remember, you can get my free magazine Explore Jamaica. Just go to my website kareemsquest.com. All right, and once you see the prompt, you just enter your email address. So I'll get back to giving you the tour. And if you have anywhere that you want to get ideas about and you want to reach out to me to hear my input, you can always email me. So back to the master suite. So this is the living area.